Want to master fractional distillation? I've got a super simple trick you won't forget.
That big 5-mark exam question. How do you remember all the products? It's tough, right?
Well, I've got a secret formula for you. It's a mnemonic that makes it so much easier.
Okay, let's build it together. It starts with good people.
The next two words are never keep. You with me? Okay, let's keep going.
Then we've got dirty fuels. See? It's starting to sound like a real sentence.
And we finish it with, like, bitumen. Okay, let's see the whole thing now.
So here it is. This is the one phrase you really need to remember.
Pretty cool, right? Each word's first letter gives you one of the hydrocarbon fractions.
But why that specific order? Well, it all comes down to their boiling points. Basically, stuff with a low boiling point rises way up high in the column.
And the things with a high boiling point, they just hang out near the bottom.
And check this out. Our mnemonic perfectly matches the order, from the very top to the bottom.
So just remember that phrase. It gets you the order from top to bottom. You got this.
See? A simple trick for a complex topic. What else can you simplify like this?